Do you like? Who doesn't, right? Well, here's a hack for you. How about learning English with movies and films? If you're tired of books and learning difficult grammar and vocabulary, then take a break and watch some classic Hollywood movies. And of course, improve your English at the same time. So, if your teachers, friends, or family members ask why you're watching so many movies instead of reading over your notes, you can simply tell them. Movies aren't usually made for English language learners like yourself. Instead, they are made for English speakers. So everything you hear is exactly how it is in reality. It's fast-paced, with realistic native accents. Movies use natural language. So they are a great way to improve your English vocabulary by learning English idioms and common American English slang. There's no better way to learn the everyday language that you can't learn in a traditional classroom. If you want something to talk about with your English friends, movies is a great topic. Everyone likes to talk about movies. By listening to the dialogue, you'll be able to listen to and perfect your English pronunciation. A lot of people complains that we watch every movies with subtitle but our listening skills aren't improving. It's because when you were watching a movie, you actually don't concentrate on listening. When an actor speaks a dialogue, you read subtitle without focusing on listening. Actually, you are improving your reading skills, and trust me, listening is more difficult than reading. So here is the trick. Watching movies with delayed subtitles. To use this trick, you need a movies player that can delay subtitles, like VLC. Now before you watch a movie, turn on the English subtitle and then delay a subtitle for about 1 or 2 seconds. This will make a subtitle appears 1 or 2 seconds later than usual. Let me show you a movie clip so then you know what it's like to watch a movie with delayed subtitles.
Voice scrambler and told me not to take the case.
Bet you loved that, didn't you?
Graduated at MIT, designed 2 skyscrapers in Dubai and 4 in Manhattan.
He is squeaky clean. You think she's right?
Maybe. Maybe he's tired of being the good guy. Maybe he's on a bender. Maybe he's knee-deep in some intern.
Gross.
Very.
So, what are your leads?
I'm not looking for
Now quiz how to delay subtitle? So I am gonna show you how to delay subtitles in VLC Media Player.